My life be like, yeah. My life be like.
Hello, and welcome to Fox Gadget. Today, I'm bringing you something incredible. 21 gadgets from 2025 that are pure genius and are changing the game. Cutting-edge technology, futuristic designs, and solutions you didn't even know you needed. These inventions are taking innovation to a whole new level. So, get comfortable because we're getting started. Marblelous. Get ready for a 2025 gadget that takes marble runs to another universe. Marblelous isn't just any game. It's a futuristic experience that integrates with your smart home. With over 500 pieces, this set lets you build circuits in minutes and expand them with mind-blowing tricks. Imagine starting with a simple track stuck to a window or door, thanks to its suction cups that adhere to many surfaces, then adding a launcher that releases marbles with a detector that measures speed and distinguishes colors, or a teleporter that makes a marble vanish into a module. If you're feeling bold, the spiral elevator lifts marbles up to 60 centimeters. It all connects to Home Assistant, so when a marble passes, your nanoleaf lights change color or your Sonos speaker plays an epic sound. But the coolest thing is its versatility. You use standard straws to build tracks as long as your imagination, from the dining room to the garage. There are pieces like the Decision Maker, which randomly sends marbles left or right, alligators and piranhas that alter the path, and funnels that redirect them with style. If you're up for it, extra packs include a lane switch to separate blue and red marbles or a vortex that spins them like a tornado. What makes it a 2025 gadget is its tech brain. With the Marblelous app, you control every trick from your phone and program it to your liking. It's a revolution that blends creativity, technology, and family time. Imagine building a track that crosses your house and teleports to a friend's, or a global race with connected sets. Marblelous is set to debut in 2025 and already promises to be the coolest educational device of the year. Bapaco Keyboard. The Bapaco isn't just a keyboard. It's a Windows 11 PC built right in, making it the first of its kind. With a 12.3-inch touchscreen, it lets you work, create, or play without needing an extra monitor. It's the perfect blend of a laptop's portability and a full-size keyboard's comfort. It also doubles as a secondary screen for Mac, Windows, and Android devices, expanding your workspace with incredible fluidity. Imagine having all your essential tools in one device, coding, designing, editing, or simply managing daily tasks with ease. Its adaptable touch interface makes navigating apps intuitive and efficient, letting you drag, swipe, and pinch like on a tablet. Plus, its 90-degree adjustable hinge ensures the best visibility for your needs. Though still in the funding phase, this gadget is one of 2025's most anticipated innovations. Stream Deck Neo. If you've ever dreamed of feeling like a movie hacker, the Elgato Stream Deck Neo is for you. With 8 customizable keys, this small but powerful gadget lets you automate tasks and control apps with a single tap, checking emails, managing meetings, controlling music, or switching scenes in a stream, all without lifting your fingers from the device. And that's not all. Its real-time info bar keeps you updated with notifications, time zones, mic status, and even stock prices. It's compatible with Zoom, Teams, Excel, Photoshop, Spotify, and more, basically turning you into a multitasking master. Setup is as easy as drag and drop. And to top it off, its eco-friendly plastic-free design makes it a planet-friendly gadget. All this for just $80. DJI Flip Drone. The DJI Flip redefines the flying experience with its blend of advanced technology and ease of use. Equipped with a 4K camera and CMOS sensor, this drone captures images with exceptional clarity, highlighting every detail with vibrant colors and an impressive dynamic range. Thanks to its AI-powered tracking system, it can keep focus on moving subjects, ideal for recording special moments with cinematic precision. Its lightweight, compact design allows flight without permits, making it a perfect travel and exploration companion. Plus, its carbon fiber propeller guards ensure full protection, providing safe flights at all times. With up to 31 minutes of battery life, it lets you capture more content without interruptions. While its $440 price may seem steep, the investment is justified for those seeking professional-grade recordings with stability, precision, and impeccable image quality. CenWatch. CenWatch is the closest you'll get to telekinesis. With this smart wristband, you can control any screen with simple air gestures. No touching required. Writing in the air? Done. Swiping, clicking, or doodling without contact? Also done. It's like having digital superpowers on your wrist. But CenWatch goes beyond screens. Compatible with IFTTT, it lets you control smart devices like lights, curtains, speakers, or even the AC with a wrist flick. A left twist switches devices, a right twist moves to the next. All with intuitive movements, no need for remotes or complex apps. It works with Android, iOS, Windows, Linux, and AR glasses, making it the ultimate air interaction gadget. Priced at $300, it's an investment for those who want to experience the future today. Glanzfeuer Lamp. Add an elegant, cozy touch to your spaces with the Glanzfeuer Lamp, a tabletop fire pit that turns any moment into a unique experience. Its mesmerizing spiral flame is perfect for romantic dinners or relaxing nights. With a sturdy metal base and tempered glass, it ensures stability and safety, indoors or out. Its burn protection system prevents leaks and allows quick cooling. Powered by bioethanol or alcohol, it offers up to 90 minutes of burn time with an adjustable flame ring. Its price? $43. Halliday Glasses. If you thought smart glasses were bulky, heavy, and unstylish, you haven't met the Halliday Glasses. With a retro contemporary design, these glasses blend cutting-edge technology with sophisticated style you can wear daily without looking like you're from a sci-fi flick. They're lightweight at just 35 grams, have a battery lasting over 12 hours, and are compatible with prescription lenses. But the best part is inside. An ultra-discreet display module only you can see. Perfect for checking notifications or browsing privately without distractions. Need real-time help? Halliday's Proactive. AI Agent is like a second brain, analyzing your surroundings and offering instant useful info, even mid-conversation. So, if you want to stay connected, informed, and stylish, the Halliday glasses are the top choice for $429. Aurzen Zip Projector. This projector is smaller than any other, fits in your hand, and goes wherever you do. Its 1.5-hour battery is perfect for series or short videos, though for a movie, keep its duration in mind. With TOF Zero Lag autofocus, it adjusts the image in real time for always sharp projections. It also supports vertical mode, ideal for TikTok, Reels, and more, bringing them to the big screen without annoying borders. Best of all, with MagPlay, it sticks to almost any surface. Wall, glass, or metal, you decide where to project. Whether for a movie night, camping, or a gathering, Zip makes it easy, fast, and epic. Its price? $329. LaserPecker LP1 Pro. We all want to personalize our stuff, whether to mark products, make unique gifts, or add a special touch to what we use. That's where the LaserPecker LP1 Pro comes in, a portable laser engraver that turns any object into a work of art. Connect it to the app, upload an image, and let the laser work its magic on wood, leather, plastic, fabric, paper, and even food. Its electric stand adjusts focus automatically in seconds, is foldable, lightweight, and fits in a backpack, so you can take your art studio anywhere. It runs on USB or a PowerBank, has safety features, and lasts over 10,000 hours, meaning each engraving costs less than 3 cents. It's $259, but if you use it well, it pays for itself with what you can create. TinyMarker. The TinyMarker is a hand-sized 3D printer that brings creativity wherever you go. Parties, trips, events, just carry it in its case and start printing. With its user-friendly design, loosen a screw, level the plate, and start creating. Its leak-proof resin tank with a sealed gasket prevents spills and odors. Best of all, it consumes just 5 watts, so you can power it with a power bank. Its all-metal structure makes it durable and compatible with any resin, ideal for printing miniatures, jewelry, and custom accessories. As an open-source gadget, it's designed to evolve with the community. Still in production, but definitely a gem to watch for this year. You can pre-order it for $128. Cinnotown. If you're passionate about photography and want to take your creativity to the next level, the Cinnotown is the perfect lens. This 16mm wide-angle macro probe lens lets you capture details the human eye can barely see, revealing stunning textures and unique visual depth. Whether photographing insects, jewelry, flowers, or electronics, every image is a work of art. With 4x magnification and a 108-degree field of view, it captures the tiniest details while preserving the background's harmony, ideal for creative photography. It's lightweight at just 256 grams and compact, making it the perfect companion for outdoor or studio projects. For $250, it's a worthwhile investment for photographers and content creators seeking professional gear for their phone. LiberLive C1 Guitar. We'd all love to play the guitar, but learning takes time and effort. If you want to cheat and play without strings, meet the LiberLive C1, the first guitar that generates chords in real time. Just move your hand, and it sounds like a pro. The app guides you with LED lights on the neck, smart chord sheets, and over 100 rhythms. It also has piano and bass sounds to make you feel like you're in a band. It's foldable, portable, and weighs just 1.9 kilograms, so you can take it anywhere. But cheating isn't cheap. It costs $459, more than a regular guitar, but without the struggle of learning. What do you think? GlocalMe Pet Phone. If you've ever wished your dog could call you, this gadget is for you. Meet the Pet Phone, a smart collar that lets you talk to your pet anytime. Through the app, you can call them, send voice messages, play music, and set routines with reminders for food and play. Best of all, your pet can call you too. If they bark 5 times, the Pet Phone alerts you and calls in emergencies. It also has real-time GPS, a safety geofence, and an activity tracker to monitor their location, movement, and health. Basically, a doggy smartphone. It launches in 2025, and you can pre-order it for $99. But note it requires an annual subscription, though the first year is free. Jigoo Bed Vacuum. If you think your mattress is clean just because it looks fine, you'd be surprised. The Jigoo Bed Vacuum with dust sensor is the ultimate tool for deep cleaning. With 13 kilopascals of suction and a brush spinning at 12,000 RPM, it removes dust, pet hair, and other nasty surprises. Its LED screen guides you in real time. Red light means keep cleaning, green means mission accomplished. It also has UV light and ultrasonic technology to eliminate invisible allergens. Its HEPA filter traps 99.97% of microscopic particles and is washable for longer use. With a 16-foot cord and ergonomic design, it reaches any corner effortlessly. Perfect for mattresses, sofas, blankets, and clothes. Best of all, it's just $100, making bed cleaning easier than ever. SideTrak Swivel. If one screen isn't enough for work anymore, the SideTrak Swivel is the solution you need. This 14-inch Full HD portable monitor magnetically attaches to your laptop, giving you a dual screen in seconds without taking up extra space. Its 360-degree hinge lets you rotate, swivel, or detach it as needed. Share content with a simple turn or adjust it to your ideal angle. It requires no complex setup, is compatible with Mac, PC, PS4, Xbox, and Switch, and its ultra-slim design is perfect for working anywhere. For $319, it turns your laptop into a portable workstation with maximum productivity. Sobro Smart Coffee Table. The Sobro Smart Coffee Table is the ultimate table for the modern, connected home. It's not just furniture, it's an entertainment and comfort hub. With its built-in refrigerator drawer, it keeps drinks cold at your chosen temperature, between 37 and 54 degrees Fahrenheit, so you don't have to leave your comfort zone. It also has high-quality Bluetooth speakers for music, LED-based lights to set the mood, USB ports and outlets to charge devices, and a tempered glass touchscreen to control temperature, volume, lighting, and more. Easy setup. Just screw on the legs, plug it in, and you're set. Available in white and black for $1,300, this table is the perfect fusion of technology and style for those ready to live the future today. Livegrid Aquatic. The Livegrid Aquatic is more than an environmental sensor. It's a living ecosystem that turns air quality into a dynamic visual experience. Instead of cold numbers, a tiny aquatic world reflects your environment's temperature, humidity, and CO2 levels in real time. Stale air? The fish react. Room needs ventilation? The ecosystem signals it intuitively. Each Livegrid is unique, with fish that are born, grow, and inherit traits based on the environment, as if your home were their natural habitat. It's fully customizable with open-source hardware and software, allowing advanced tweaks via its web app. More than a gadget, it's a visual storyteller of your well-being. Available for $213, it's the most elegant, lively way to monitor your space. Biolite Power Bank. The Biolite Charge 100 Max Power Bank is a portable charger that doesn't mess around. With 25,000 milliamp hours of raw power and 100-watt USB-C and USB-A ports, this beast charges up to 5 devices at once without slowing down. Imagine your laptop, phone, earbuds, and smartwatch all plugged in and charging at top speed with Biolite. It recharges in 90 minutes with a 65-volt charger, so you won't waste time waiting. Fast charging, multi-device support, and plenty of power, all for $150. A must-have for those always on the move. HyperCube SE. Get ready to enter another dimension with the HyperCube SE, a 2025 gadget that redefines cool technology. This isn't just a lamp, it's a mind-blowing fusion of art and science, an infinite LED light that reacts to sound and is controlled via an app, taking you on a visual journey like something from a distant galaxy. Available in 25 centimeters and 38 centimeters sizes, these ambient lights are like a lava lamp crossed with a supernova, bright enough to light a room and so hypnotic you could get lost in them for hours. What makes the HyperCube SE special is its automatic magic. It shifts patterns every minute, flowing smoothly to the next like an infinite kaleidoscope, generating new colors every 10 seconds. Available on Kickstarter for $150. GODOX Virso. If you're looking for a wireless microphone that makes your audio sound clean, professional, and hassle-free, the GODOX Virso M2 is your best ally. Designed for content creators, journalists, and filmmakers, this system delivers high-quality sound without cable clutter. It includes 2 transmitters with built-in microphones and a dual-channel receiver, perfect for interviews, vlogs, live streams, or documentaries. Its battery lasts up to 13 hours for transmitters and 17 hours for the receiver, so it won't let you down mid-recording. Plus, with a microSD card slot up to 256 gigabytes, you can back up 400 hours of audio without worrying about losses. Its noise reduction, volume adjustment, and quick mono-stereo pairing ensure pristine sound from the start. It comes with TRS, TRRS, and USB-C cables, ready to connect to cameras, phones, or any compatible device. All this for $159. OMyKey. What if your keys were more than just metal? The OMyKey arrives in 2025 as a gadget that takes security and convenience to another level. And trust me, this will blow your mind. This isn't just any keychain. It's a biometric NFC key that uses your fingerprint to unlock everything with a single touch, from your front door to your car's ignition or even your e-bike. Forget fumbling for keys or worrying about losing them. The OMyKey is encrypted with cutting-edge tech, so only you can use it, making it virtually unhackable. But wait, it gets better. Its NFC chip can be programmed via its app to customize access, like opening the garage or turning on lights when you arrive. What do you think? Its price is $35. And dear friends, with these gadgets, we've reached the end of this video, which I hope you've thoroughly enjoyed. I invite you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.